What you mean?
That thing was a guy
What?
off Alabama
Oh.
on Union Ship. No, sorry, Union.
Eeewho.
They got the guy handcuffed. 3 of them had to fight with the
What?
guy getting handcuffed. The sergeant told them down. They got this going.
Woo-hoo.
Start talking all this stuff. I mean, I got him.
What the fuck?
He's like, his legs are just going like this. Like,
What?
close.
Eeewho.
Where's your shoe? Where's your shoe, dude?
What?
Where's your shoe? What happened?
What the fuck you talking about, motherfuck you?
Hey, dude, guess what? Dude, seriously,
Yeah.
calm down.
What?
What's that?
What'd you do last night, man?
What?
What'd you do last night?
What?
What'd you do? Hey, this isn't good for my business. This is bad for business. This is kind of fun.
What?
What's your name?
What?
Eeewho?
What?
Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to leave the property.
I don't think that's
Is that too much to ask?
Yeah.
Have you ever been on YouTube? He's gonna,
You left your money back there. Go back there and get your money.
you can make this easy on you. You're just gonna crawl in the fucking back seat.
You ain't calling it my back seat. I got about a 100-pound shepherd back there. You ain't calling it my car. That's bad news for him.
Oh, dude, he's picking up the pace.
Buddy, you need to calm down a little bit.
He doesn't like police. Apparently, dude.
You go back that way.
Hey,
I'm gonna have to keep coming this way.
I think you're gonna need to do it, dude. I got it on video for you. He's a fucking psycho. He's gonna get. Oh shit,
Get down on the ground.
dude.